Okay, so my name is Grace Odhiambo. I am originally from Kenya. I work at the Healy Consultants Malaysia office as a senior client engagement manager. And on a regular basis, we assist clients to set up companies, to change their corporate structures, to open bank accounts in different jurisdictions, to secure visas for different countries, such things, business-related engagements. Yeah, sure. Before we proceed with my engagement, which was a USA corporate bank account opening, if this is your first time watching our YouTube channel, I would encourage you to subscribe. Just click on the subscribe button and then also click on the bell so that you can be notified every time we upload videos. We do upload videos regularly, say 4 or 5 times a week. So there's no shortage of content. So if you're interested in business related content, this is the place to be. So for my business engagement recently, one client engaged us to open a bank account for him. His company is registered in Tunisia, and he wanted a corporate bank account that has good internet banking facilities that he can access from anywhere in the world, because he mentioned that his current account in Tunisia had an issue that if he needed to do any transactions, he had to visit the branch. So he wanted an account where he could do everything online and he could easily communicate with his relationship manager. So we approached our usual banks in the US, and he was happy to proceed with this. And we opened for him an account with one of our bank relationship managers in the USA. Okay, so the first thing we will send you a questionnaire to fill out. On this questionnaire, you will give us a lot of details. You will fill up your background information. You will fill up your current residence. You will fill up what kind of transactions you expect to do with this account. You will also, there's a long list of things that we will ask you for on the questionnaire that you need to fill up. We will also ask you for notarized passport copies, notarized for all the directors and shareholders and all the bank signatories. We'll also ask you for the due diligence documents from the company, which include the articles of association, certificate of registration, certificate of good standing. There's a lot of documents that we normally just compile into one checklist and send to the clients so that they can look through and provide us the documents. If there is a challenge in providing any of the documents, then we can discuss with the client what alternatives can be provided. Because of our expertise in this field and our relationship with the banks, this process is quite straightforward. We will liaise directly with the banker. The banker will ask for the documents. We will send the documents to the banker, including the questionnaire that is completed by the client. The bank compliance team will review all the documents. If they need anything else, they'll let us know, which we will revert to the client and let them know. If not, they will set up a KYC call with the client. Once the call is done and the bank is happy with the responses they received from the client, then they will send the forms, the pre-filled forms. The bank actually fills up the forms or asks us to fill the forms for the client and send to the client for signature. Once the forms are signed, the client needs to courier all the forms together with the original certified documents to the bank to proceed with the account activation. And then they will ask you to send the minimum deposit required to activate the internet banking facilities. No, actually, this engagement was quite straightforward. The only challenge was with on the client's side because he was traveling. So it took a bit of time for him to be able to send the documents to the bank in order to activate the internet banking and to remit the funds. Otherwise, there was no challenge. This was a very straightforward engagement. I was able to complete this engagement in less than 1 month. Thank you. Thank you to the viewers as well. And please feel free to comment or like the video. It helps us to grow. It helps the channel to grow as well. So please feel free to ask us questions and we will reply to you immediately. Thank you.